Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title of this video, you know that this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation reveal, and some of you have already been seeing this product floating around the internet. This is something that has been showing up since the beginning of July. So it's been 3 months since I pre-ordered my foundation, and it just arrived a couple days ago. So I have been waiting to open it for the first time so I could film it, and it could be a type of first impressions. So this is what the product looks like in its box, and it's a very beautiful iridescent presentation that they came up with. Inside the box is the foundation, and this is what it looks like. It is a type of like a squirter type of, it's not a pump, it's, you open it and you press the button up here, and that's how the product comes out of. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Camouflage Cream, and this is what that one looked like in its little box. As you can tell, they both matched. So I have mine in the color light to medium, and this is what the presentation looks like for that one. And it's a two-part, so this is the illuminator, and this, you open it up and it's the concealer part. And in the videos I do show you how to use them. I do use this product in this video just so you can know how these two products work together. They do come with their own sets of brushes. So this one comes with the camouflage cream, and this one came with the foundation. And I do want to say though that this was a special order with QVC, so I'm not entirely sure, like if you go to Ulta or Sephora or wherever they're going to sell this product at, if it even comes with the brush. Maybe even try Tarte.com and see if they come together, because this brush has the applicator for the illuminator and a typical brush for the concealer. And as you can tell, this brush came with a double-ended. I did use the bigger side today. This slanted part, I imagine, is to apply this under your eyes, maybe concealer or something, to blend it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and here comes the tutorial. Let's get started. I'm gonna put on some kitty cat ears just to hold my hair back. You probably won't see them. So I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, just allergies, I don't know, but the show must go on. So I'm going to begin by moisturizing my face, and this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So like I mentioned, I finally received my Tarte foundation. This is the Rainforest of the Sea, and we're gonna pop this open for the very first time. So this is a first impressions video. The packaging right away is super beautiful, and like I mentioned, it comes with a brush. So I'm just gonna push this out of the, it's a double-ended brush, and it's slanted and whatever this is called, horizontal. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, because even if I was gonna wear this makeup, I would still prime my face normally. So I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and this has potentially replaced my normal primer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz that on. While I let this sit on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. It's gonna be one of those things where you drop the liquid. The button is this thing up here, so I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand. But before I do that, I'm gonna use its brother or sister, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Camouflage Cream. It's the concealer and the illuminator that you mix in together. and you apply for those dark circles, small amount of the illuminator, and I do a full circle with the brush on the concealer. So right there, and just start mixing that together. And I don't use this every day because this is an extra step from concealer. This goes underneath your foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and start working that in. Only reason I am including this in the video is because it is the same. It's from Tarte. It's the same thing that they took out along with that foundation. So I just put that all over. You want to make sure that whatever you do to your under eye, you do to your eyelid, because if this is super bright and super perfect, but this isn't, you know, we're going to be able to tell. I'm going to be grabbing the bigger side of the foundation brush and just grabbing that product and start putting that on. My color in the foundation is light. And this brush is super soft. And you can see that I do have some acne spots, so we'll be seeing if it does cover them. I'm going to be grabbing a little bit more of that. So as you can see, it is very dewy and very lightweight. Now I'm gonna see if it works well with powders, but I'm not really gonna show like what I'm using because this video is just for that foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my entire face. It's gonna be in fast forward. Like I said, this video is just to see how this foundation works. It is brand new, so here we go. this is the final result after I applied my normal makeup like bronzer and eyeshadow, my eyebrows, lipstick. So as you can tell already, it is a very flawless foundation. I am so impressed with it. So these two products are a go. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much. Bye!